thing I know how to do is fake a braid. So I did a little hairstyle with a braid yesterday, and I had a few dances where people were like, I literally can't even do a regular braid. So here's a way to fake that. And actually this gives you a lot more volume. So you're just gonna start with 2 ponies, just literally 2 normal ponies. And then in the back, you're gonna pull through the top, and you're just gonna pull through it. And then the back one, you're gonna slide that down, open it up, pull through. Then you're gonna slide that down from the back, open that, pull through. Then just keep repeating. From the back one, open, pull through. I don't know where I learned this. This is something like the girls did back in like cheerleading. Because it does give like more of a thick braid too, doing it this way, because you're not like flattening the hair. And pull through. And then you want to leave a good length of tail at the end, just so once you're at this point, you can have room to just like pull at it. The nice thing is this also doesn't really give you braid dents. So if you're someone who doesn't love like the braid curl, you can do it this way. And I think it's a prettier braid, honestly. I think it's a little bit fuller, it's prettier. It doesn't give you as much of a braid dent when you pull it out. Like it's not like that crimped look, which is also very nice. So I hope that helps a little bit.